Hey guys, welcome to Tired of Beauty. Okay, so today we're doing the get to know us
This
video.
is our first video.
Right, our first video. And we have ice cream Oreo cookies, chocolate cookies, homemade.
You can't see this every day.
Can't think this is right. So, Timi and Dami have the questions, and we're just gonna be to you guys.
Okay. So the first question is, what are our names? So I'm Timi.
My name is Larry Aboiwa. You can call me Dami.
Okay.
Did you just put her government name on the
saying the
internet?
whole thing, I can say the whole
The
thing.
government name. My name is Alma.
How old are we?
Okay, I know y'all see that thing on my thumb. The reason why I have that in this video is because I scraped my thumb on a piece of glass, so bear with me. Anyways, back to the video.
I'm 17.
I'm 16.
I'm 17. Okay. I'm 17, guys.
Okay.
Ethnicity.
I'm
You can go first.
Ghanaian.
I'm Nigerian.
I'm Nigerian. How did you become friends?
I don't know.
I met Timi. Like I think summer of 2017. It was summer bridge, and I had mutual friends with her, and we sat together at lunch, and I think we played Uno, and that's how I knew her. But I really met her this year. That's when we became friends.
We had a lot of classes together, so it just happened naturally for us.
Mm-hmm.
I had a class with Timi. Not great. I didn't talk to her at all.
She didn't talk to
me.
She didn't talk to me.
No. I don't know. I was just in the corner minding my own business. And she said I was unapproachable. Whatever that's supposed to mean.
I mean, I'm just being truthful.
Oh wow.
You know, she was sitting there doing her thing.
I think I met Alma 10th grade. She was introduced me by a friend. And then 11th grade we had a lot of classes together. You know, we bonded. And yeah.
What word or phrase does each person always say?
You want to answer first?
Alma always calls me her JR, but she knows that she's my JR. It's kind of confusing to me. I think she's in denial.
Timi is my JR.
Everything I do,
She wears the same things. Like she wants to wear the same things. I'll come up with when she did that later. But my Christmas list, she changed hers to make her have the same thing I did.
First of all I knew, I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Why not just add?
And she puts everything, not just one
I didn't
thing.
put everything.
To the Starbucks, the food, everything.
She's exaggerating. Okay, guys.
The shoes. Anyway.
I say, oh my goodness, a lot. Look,
And she also says right after every sentence.
I do?
I have
I think you were like, we have to do this, right? We go here, right? I think you do that.
I don't know.
Like the action she always does. Like she always like flinches. Whenever
That was my answer from one of the questions, but we're not
and the thing is, she flinches like 3 minutes after it happens. Like she finishes so late. I'm just like, don't worry, you okay? What do you think is each person's best feature?
I think Alma's eyes. She has like lid space, serious lid space. Or she just. I just want to put makeup on her face. To me, your cheeks.
That was gonna be mine.
And your skin, the color of your skin is cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and I also love your hair, girl. Like you like, oh,
Oh,
my hair's so short.
Thanks,
Yeah.
guys. Thanks.
I don't know who's gonna.
Yeah, mine is cheeks for Timi and hair. For Damilari, I like her skin tone and her skin, like her skin in general, her facial structure, and yeah.
Yeah, I like this too.
Yeah,
Alma? I like your hair.
not mine.
I like your hair. I like the way she does her hair. That's what I get. Guys, tell me how old I look in the comments because I'm really like confused on how I look. Pet peeves.
Of each other that everybody does, or
In general.
Okay.
Oh.
No, you can say. I'm about to say it right now, and I just did it. When people cut. No. I do
That's
it a
actually
lot.
one of my things. Hypocrisy.
I do it a lot.
Hypocrisy. How you say that word?
Hypocrisy.
Yeah, what Dumbo just did.
But I catch myself, and when I do, I apologize.
Okay, I hate it when people talk over the teacher. Like hearing that little murmur when they're talking. I hate it so much, and I just can't. It be going.
What annoys me is when people you know don't say hi to you in public.
Bro, I hate that so much. I just. Who is the crybaby of the group?
It is me.
Yes, it's you. You always see her. Oh my God, whining for little things. I'm just like, oh, it's okay. Who's the most talkative?
Alma.
Quietest one in the group.
I think that's Timi.
That's Damilari.
Yeah, that's Timi all the way.
Okay. Who's always getting in trouble?
I don't know. I don't think we're
No. No. Us too, because Bong Bong.
Oh, yeah. What is something that each person does that annoys you? I put it here where Damilari asks for my food. I mean, like, I'm fine. I'll give her a piece. But I like food a lot. As you guys can see. So, like, when people ask for my food, I just get annoyed. But I also give it to her because I'm nice. When Alma comes to annoy me, when I'm in LS's class, I can just see her from the corner of my eye. Her little feet coming over to me with a little smirk on her face. I know she's about to come over here and annoy me. But I just let it go.
What Timi does to annoy me? No,
Don't
what
cut that
Timi
out.
does
Don't
is
cut
that,
that
like, when I want to sit with them in genetics
What will she do?
or anything, she'll just be like, oh, why don't you sit over there? Why don't you? I know she doesn't come from a bad place, but it's kind of annoying. But Damilari, like we said earlier, she flinches at every little thing. Anyway, so that's the only thing. But I want to say it's annoying. It's just like something she does, and it's like, what?
What is something that each person does that you love?
She's funny. And then Damilari is really sweet. Like, I could not be as patient and sweet as she could, because some people be trying it. That's it.
Fine.
That's it.
Favorite memories together?
My favorite memory is our biology project.
Oh.
It's on YouTube somewhere.
Look
Look
for
at
it.
it. Yeah, look for it.
What content is your channel going to cover?
Hair,
Fashion.
makeup,
Same
fashion, vlogs, pranks,
Anything.
public
really.
interview.
You
Yeah,
want
we're
me to
all
sing
over the
for
place.
you? I'll sing for you.
Yeah, Damilari sings.
For real, guys. For real.
Okay, how did you come up with the channel name?
We knew we wanted Tad, essentially, because our name Timi Damilari, Tad. Now, what the Tad was going to be about, we were clueless, and then we just stuck with Tad of Beauty because, like, yeah, it sounded right.
Yeah.
That's, yeah.
Did you start a YouTube channel?
Okay, we were in genetics, and we overheard somebody. And then I said, guys, we should start a YouTube channel. And Damilari's like, I've always wanted to. And Cindy was like, oh yeah. And so we just did it next class. That day. We just created the channel so everybody could subscribe beforehand. Some people refused until we posted content. So here's your content.
Okay, guys, so that's all our questions. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, comment, and like.
And share.
Oh yeah, and share too. And
To all your friends.
I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Child's play.